What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video is about an update on an APK. So Showbox version 5.0.9 has been a new update. Guys, it's just some firmware fixes. However, this is the ad-free version. So if you're using older versions, you will get a pop-up message asking you to actually update. And if it is the ad-free version, as soon as you update, you will not have the ad-free version anymore. So guys, this is just a quick tutorial. As you see, I have this opened up already and it seems to be working flawlessly. Guys, just a few tips. If you're on a Fire Stick, you will need to have a mouse toggle in order to access the menu bar at the top here. Guys, if you're on an Android box, you can actually use your remote device, which gives you a mouse pointer, or you can actually put in a wireless mouse, which I'm actually doing at the moment, which gives me more freedom in this APK. So let's get to it. As you see guys, it's the same story. There's no ads. You've got trending movies, TV shows, news, trailers, favorites, downloads. So guys, the downloads part, remember, it uses torrents to download. So that will actually put your ISP in actually monitoring you. So I suggest torrents a no. Just stick to the streaming of the servers and that will keep you safe in this APK. So if we click on movies guys, as you see, it opens up quite fast. I'm not gonna play this content. As you guys know, this APK works well. You can actually try it for yourself. It's just a quick update and a quick review for you guys and to offer you this APK so you can actually use it for yourself. Guys, it starts up flawlessly and it works flawlessly. I'm not going to go too in detail in it. So if we click on downloads, I don't have anything downloaded as you see. So I'm going to go back to trending. So guys, one more thing, if we click on movies and I click on a movie, just want to show you that it's not actually using a torrent and it's actually streaming. Guys, one more time, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like, share my videos and my uploads. So guys, as you see, it's not highlighted. That means this movie is not on the server. So if we click here, it says server B. So if we want to view it via torrent, which I don't advise, we'll click on torrents, we'll click out and it says watch now. So if I click on watch now, it's actually gonna scrape from different torrents. So if we click on the top here, it's gonna scrape it from the torrent. You can use this if you have a VPN, it will work flawlessly. So I'm just gonna cancel that guys. So as we see guys, it does work. There's no adverts. We've got the news part of it. So as we see, I'm using a mouse which actually gives me more freedom. I can scroll down much easier, whereas if you're using a Fire Stick, you'll need the mouse pointer to press down and up and down arrows. So guys, let's get down to actually installing this. So I'm just going to close it off. Right, so once we're into our menu guys, you're going to need to actually use the downloader app, which I have on my Android box. I will leave links in the bottom, so you guys with Android boxes want to use the downloader, you can click on that and actually use it on your Android box. So I'm gonna click on that and there's my downloader. For you guys with Fire Sticks, I'm sure you already have the downloader app, but you can as well use the app or download it directly from the Play Store. Remember, it's only available for the Fire Stick users. So guys, this is the URL to download this Showbox APK. So it's bit.ly. Oh, sorry guys. So it's bit.ly we're gonna go to / and you're gonna enter Epic Show. So it's EPICSHOW. So guys, once you've done that, you can come down to go and you can wait for the downloader app to download this APK. As we see guys, it works quite fast. It's a small file, it's only about 40 megabytes. So depending on your line speed is how fast this APK downloads to and installs. Guys, remember leaving your comments down below as well, helps build my channel, and let me know what you'll think of this ad-free version of Showbox. And remember, it's the latest version out, and if you currently have the older versions, please delete it, and then start the new download process of the new version. Guys, if you have seen my latest uploads on videos on YouTube, so you'll actually know I'm doing a lot of Kodi stuff as well. So I seem to think that Kodi is not actually dying off, but there's a lot of APKs that are actually stopping development. For instance, Shredim TV, when last did we get a new update on that? It hasn't come for some time. So as we see, guys, I currently have it here already. So I'm going to click on all and click install. So we're just going to wait for it to install. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, so Shredim TV, when last did we get an update? Usually within a month we should have 2 to 3 updates. So that shows that the developer is not really paying much attention to that APK. So guys, having more than one APK or having more add-ons on Kodi is actually going to help you with better streaming qualities and better streaming content. So as you see, app is installed. You're going to click on done, and we're going to delete the APK installation file as we don't need it anymore. So once we delete this file, we can go out. You can go and you can come into your apps and you'll have Showbox loaded here, guys. So as we see, version 5.0.9, and it works flawlessly. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments down below. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll leave all links in description.